My video guide will help you to remove the unwanted extension and the pop-up windows which are related to the site watchadsfree.com. Watchadsfree.com is a pop-up that attacks Google Chrome browser, and this particular pop-up promotes a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. The extension is called Adblock Enterprise Edition. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it you will be able to actually block advertisements while surfing the internet, but in reality this extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it shows the great portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, make sure you undertake the measures and remove it. So I'm going to install this extension called Adblock Enterprise Edition on purpose in order to let you know how to get rid of it. As I said, very often this extension is installed by people without their intention or even permission. In other words, it is often installed by them absolutely unintentionally. If it was added to your Google Chrome, this is what you can do. Go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable this extension and remove it completely. I would also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.